video is not sponsored. But let me tell you, Desert Quench is that's some good water. It tastes really good. You know, it's kind of the cheaper brand, off-brand, you know, that you get at the gas station. You know, I was in need of some H2O, and this is Arizona drinking water. I'm gonna tell you, they got some really good drinking water here in Arizona. Alright, it feels like it's been windy for the past few days that I've been filming, but we're in Seligman, Arizona. This is old Route 66, and I had to step out and admire the old police car here. It's pretty cool. These shops here are adorable. This is actually, it says cafe, but here you go. We could get to Paris in 5,769 miles. Who'd have thunk? But yeah, look. I want to see this cowboy right here. He looks kind of rusty. Looks like he's been standing here a while. Oh, who we got in here? Okay. Hello, stuff of nightmares. Yeah, just wandering through here. There's a lot to see. Here we go. Here's another tow truck. Ooh. It's got a spotted dog in there. Looks like a Dalmatian, but it's got purple spots now. Tomater. It's got the little eyeballs. I love this. Frogs. Frog band. 1924 Model T Roadster. Wow. Okay, here's another little character from Cars. Oh, he's got a flat. Yeah. Oh, look at that. No one over 10 years old can get in the car. Sucks. Okay, so here's another one of these murals. How awesome is that? Oh, wait a minute. What is that on the top of the building? Oh, it's some more frogs. Oh. Go home, you're drunk, drummer frog. Wish I had a sticker to put on the van. Maybe one day. Another old truck back here. Fire truck. Got the police car up front. Fire truck in the back. Oh. Arizona alley cats. I feel like I'm in a Western movie right now, and any minute somebody on horseback is going to come out and rob this train. So we're approaching either a really huge dust cloud or smoke from a fire somewhere on Route 66 in Arizona. This is different. Yeah, so we're about 25 miles from Kingman. And, well, I guess if the people on the motorcycles made it through, then I guess we'll be alright. It's crazy. It's really thick, especially over there to the right. Again. We made it on the other side of that crazy dust. Y'all, I had to pull off the highway for this. So, said it was a scenic view. I would say they were right. This is the Lake Mead National Recreation Area. So we're looking at Lake Mead over there in the distance. It's really pretty. And it has been so windy. And right now, or up here, it's not really windy. Just gonna stretch my legs a little bit. Nice little pull off up here to just stretch your legs. Get out of the car. My sentiments exactly. Y'all, I'm impressed so far with Arizona. I've never been to Arizona. This is my first time, and I will be back to explore more. I'm really impressed. Y'all, that dust cloud ended up being a dust storm. Okay, so I got a warning on my phone from like a weather alert warning saying that there was a dust storm in the area and that there was going to be low to no visibility. They were advising to pull over. Thankfully, and I'm sure you kind of saw in the video, the visibility was good and I just drove right through it. But yeah, I don't think I've ever driven through a dust storm before. I'm from East Texas. We don't get those things. So that was interesting, but we have made it on the other side, and it's still a little hazy outside and the wind is blowing, but it's much better than it was. So we're good now. Okay, we just made it into Nevada, and I'll check out the Hoover Dam maybe. This is the Mike O'Callahan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge here next to the dam. Gotta climb all the way up. See if we can get a good view of the dam. Or never been to Hoover Dam. Not gonna be able to tour today, but we'll see what we can see. This walkway is completely free to park. You have to go through a security checkpoint and then just proceed to the walkway. Down there. It's the Hoover Dam. Pretty cool. You can come and actually just take the walkway and see it for free. This bridge is literally shaking. I think it's time to get off. The donkeys. Oh my gosh. Shut up. Snakes for sale? What? To Tonopah, Nevada. Oh Oh man, we've got some crazy stuff in store in this old town. So this is an old historic mining town. This was the site, I've read, of one of the biggest booms in the West. Happened on May 19th, 1900. And guess what? Today's May 20th, 2022. And just missed that anniversary. I'm always a day late and $1 short. But, yeah, just the way it goes sometimes. All right. Main Street, Tonopah.